Hi, my name is Bazeed, and this is an idea for my SIP for Emmerman. It's called Concept Art for a Better World. So, what is concept art? Concept art is a visual representation that tells a story or conveys a certain look. It's mostly used in the entertainment industry, especially in video games and movies, to portray landscapes or represent characters or to make characters. So, how can concept art create a better world? So I have this idea that I would use this, I would conceptualize the world as a result of many ongoing issues impacting our global climate. For example, global warming. In order to represent that into my concept art world, I would create like our modern world for example, an ice age, and in that way, concept art would be successful in representing or creating a world impacted by ongoing global issues. How will this artwork be experienced? I am thinking of, I think the best way to do so is through VR and ideally powered by Unreal Engine. So my animating questions for my SIP are, how can I create an environment that is very immersive? Because I think that just making an environment in VR does not automatically make it immersive. I think there are some key elements that I need to learn in order to make it immersive. So next question, what kind of environments will effectively convey the message about a global issue? So for example, what kind of setting or what kind of like landscape or even characters should I make in order to portray a specific global issue? Because I'm not going to be only stuck to one global issue. I can incorporate many other issues as well. So I have to make an environment specific to that issue. These are the artists that inspired me for this SIP. The one on the left is Jakub Javora, and the one on the right is Sparth. So starting with Sparth. So Sparth is amazing at landscapes. And this is a concept piece that Spark did for Halo Infinite, and it's like you can feel the scale of this image, and you can see that because there's so much going on, there's definitely a story being told. This is another example from Spark, and there's always a point of focus or an object of focus in Spark's paintings, and in this one, in these two particular, there's a spaceship, and because of that point of focus, it easily conveys a story, and that's what I want to do with my SIP as well. This artist is really good at portraying characters in a very painterly sort of style, which I'm really gravitated towards. I think that I want to incorporate this sort of painterly style into my own VR project through Unreal Engine, and these are some other examples of how they made this in Blender. Again, this is another example from the same artist. Yeah, this was also done in Blender, then painted over and animated using Adobe After Effects, but yeah, I'm really interested by the style, and I really want to incorporate it into my characters and my environments in my SIP. Alright, so next steps. So the plan for now is to master anatomy first, because humans and people in general will be playing such a central part in my environments. I want to be able to create human anatomy quite accurately, even though there would be sort of painterly touch to it. I want the representation to be quite accurate, and in order to develop all of this in Unreal Engine, I need to learn Unreal Engine, and I need to be really good at it, and I also need to learn landscape art in order to create the whole environment in which the people will move around. Thank you so much. If you have any questions or suggestions, please reach out to me at my email.